Yo, what's up, guys? Happy Super Bowl Sunday. Today is February 8th, 2026. This is your boy Julius, aka Gold Collector on Instagram. This Gold Collector with a K. Yeah, guys, let's get into these charts. Right now it's 11:20 a.m. and market's gonna open in a few hours. So, um, the second thing about last week was that the end of last week, Apex and/or Tradeovate, um, they put a halt on any assets there. You couldn't trade gold futures for that matter. So there's a really big flub on Tradeovate's part. I'm not sure exactly what happened. They said too much volatility. Until the volatility settles, then they're going to put it back in. But I'm like, what the fuck are you talking about? Gold's been moving just upwards, but recently, last Friday, it wasn't even that volatile. Like, look, let me reset the chart a little bit. Yeah, it wasn't even that volatile, so I don't even know what they're smoking. Other than prices gradually going up, like not even super volatile, not like US30 for that matter. Um, yeah, guys, this is your first time tuning in. What I like to do is I like to review my trades from last week and see where the areas where I can improve on. So let's go back to last Sunday. Um, so off the bat, I took a nice 380 pip win, which is nice. It took a little 145 win, 726 pip win, which is really nice. I think I took a loss here for 284 pips, uh, 594 pip loss, 108 point loss, 388 pip win, 45 pip loss, a 534 pip win, 345 pip win. Some of these trades I wish I held for longer. And over here, 345 pip win, 130 pip win, 165 pip win, and then prices started to melt after that. I should have noticed that prices are going to consolidate and then melt. And so this is where Apex and Tradeovate stop trade. We're not able to trade gold right now. I'm not even sure if we're able to yet, but I need to check their social media status to see if they're even available. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and remove my charts and chart for y'all. Also, this is a very fire indicator. I don't like using indicators, but this indicator tells me the previous session high and low, Tokyo high, London high, New York high, London low, New York low, Tokyo low. Because if you know gold loves to take out previous levels of liquidity from previous sessions. So there's a very fire indicator. The indicator called Session High Low by Corey. I love this indicator. It's a super game changer for me. All right, guys. So what I like to do is I like to start in the daily time frame. And so since gold is trading at all-time highs, I like to let me move this up a little bit. Mark up the new all-time high. Daily resistance level. So gold did a strong pullback after it hit 5,600. Did strong pullback and dropped all the way back down to this lower level of supply and demand. So tapped all the way down to here. Daily resistance. Daily support. And daily support. Let's see. I will also mark up this level because daily nice support and resistance level. All right, now I'm gonna drop down to the 4 hour time frame, find my 4 hour zones. Make this a little bit cleaner. Yep, and that's pretty much good because I feel like what price is gonna do, it might rally, jump down to lower time frame. So gold will probably shoot up at market open, come back from here, come back down, shoot up again, and then break above. At least that's what I'm thinking. Because price is just slowly growing up. So after it retested that strong level of support and resistance down here, it just made a massive bull run. So gold is running bullish again. And all news fundamentals is also pointing to gold being bullish also. So there's no rest right now for ICE. There's still a lot of killings and murders going on with those ICE agents. And Venezuela and Trump trying to buy Greenland. So there's a lot of economic turmoil right now. So there's a lot of uneasiness on the world stage. All right, so this is my key levels for gold. I'm gonna drop down to the 4 hour time frame so you guys can see my key levels. Take a screenshot of that, and I'm gonna go over to US30. And US30 has also been super bullish. It just blasted to past the previous all-time high, blasted past $50,000. The first time in history that US30 has been above 50,000. So it's really a big game changer. I don't have a lot of time to actually mark up my charts to because US30 moves so fast, so I rarely ever have time to mark up my charts. But these are the last trades that I took from last week. So I took a nice um, 282 pip banger. This one I closed way too soon, 90 pips, and I scalped a little bit on the way up. So I made $500 on this trades, I should say. But yeah, let me go ahead and remove these charts. So after a very big bull run on US30, I noticed that price will definitely do a hard pullback. So after this like huge bull run, price pulled back, bull run, price pulled back. And then if price does decide to come back all the way down here, which I don't think it will, we at least want to know where our daily support levels are. Drop down to our 4 hour zones. Actually, I don't know if I like that. Might just drop in their key level. Looks super weird. Yeah, that looks better. Mark it up to the following Sunday. Yeah, guys. So what I'm thinking is on Monday, price is probably going to pull back, retest this level, and then shoot up again. That's what at least what I'm thinking. But yeah, we'll see what happens on Monday morning. Let's go see Forex Fund, Forex Factory. So next week, oh shoot, NFP moved to Wednesday. That's weird, really weird. So CPI. Oh, no, CPI is on Friday. What the heck? That's so weird. So NFP is going to be on Wednesday, February 11th, and CPI is going to be on Friday. So NFP got moved from last Friday to this Wednesday, which is very, very weird. I have a live funded account to save, so I'm going to trade that day also. So, anyways, guys, let me go back to US30. You guys take a screenshot of my key levels. If you guys have any questions, as always, feel free to DM me on Instagram at Gold Collector, GoldKollector. All right, guys, talk later. Peace.